In the baseline, we assume that there's wide availability of vaccines in the second half of this year in advanced economies, as well as some emerging markets. But then for the rest of the world, it's really, and this is again the other emerging markets and low-income countries. We expect that wide availability to occur only in 2022 and beyond, even for some of the low-income countries. The other reason that it's so important to have access everywhere, including in low-income and emerging economies, is that, in the absence of that, the pandemic will just drag on. And then there will be new mutants, and that would hurt everybody, including advanced economies. So it's really not over until it's over everywhere. So in that sense, it's also in the self-interest of advanced economies to help as much as possible.